Hello, everyone. My name is Brooke Buckner, and I live in Indianapolis, Indiana. I am taking this course as a prerequisite requirement to a PA program, well, a couple of PA programs that I am applying to. A couple of programs, I haven't been accepted yet, but a few programs that I'm interested in include Butler University in Indianapolis, IUPUI, also in Indianapolis, and I've even taken a look at a few online physician assistant programs. I've heard really good things about Yale's online PA program. Let's see, I have been a personal trainer for 8 years. And I've started this. I started on my own a few years ago, and my business name is Be Fit Be Well. I really enjoy it. I love my clients. They're specifically called special populations. So I work with a lot of people who have a chronic illness or have had some type of injury in the past. So a lot of cancer, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, or an orthopedic injury. So that's really my niche of clients. Outside of working in school, I love to run, but I also have a really big sweet tooth. I love to bake, and I also love to read, like for fun, outside of reading textbooks. So I wish everyone the best of luck in this course, and I look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.